We're taking care of a bunny for a couple weeks. And Riley's giving him some exercise. You be slow. Be slow, Riley. You scare the bunny. You gotta go slow. Go slow, you scare him. This is Clementine. Can you pet him? Hi.